Hello guys, what's up? So a lot of brothers and sisters ask help to me. Brother, what happened to my tools? Why it happened? They have some policy issue. So guys, it happened to everybody. Yes. So Facebook are cleaning all the old violation that we have. If Facebook remove already our violation or the spam message, so we cannot do anything. It's already removed. As long as our tools or our monetization tools is there, it's not suspended and there is no problem at all. However guys, if you have old violation and not yet removed by Facebook, so we need to remove that one. But it doesn't mean that you delete already that video. It's long time before. After you deleted, your tools will be back. It's under approval or review by Facebook. So they will review, then after that, if there is no duration period from that violation, your tools will be back. Like the flag content. The flag content, if you remove that video, automatic your tools will be okay. Like that. But if the violation is serious violation and they have some duration period, like 12 months, 6 months, or 3 months, it's depend the violation that you have. Yes, they have corresponding duration period. Yes. But however guys, as long as our tools is there is no problem at all. So example, if you want to delete videos like the long post before that not yet deleted by Facebook, for example, just go to your profile, then click the click this three dot right side in front of you, then go to activity log. Okay, go to the activity log, then go to your activity history. So for example, February 3, 2023, that's the violation that you received that until now is still you have this violation. So what you need to do guys, because it's very difficult to check which post that one, so you need to delete all the posts February 3, 2023 up to February 4, 2023. So click the filter. So what category? All category it's showing. No need to change. Date will be, for example, you need to delete, that will be February 3, 2023, and it will end up to February 4, 2023. So it means all the posts that you made that February 3, 2023 up to February 4, 2023, it will be automatic deleted. Okay, then so guys, for mine it's already I delete before, so I don't have any posts because I already delete before. After that, all the post is deleted, but it doesn't mean that you already delete guys. Your tools will be back. It's depend upon on the Facebook team. They will review on that, and if there is no duration period your violation, and they will return back your monetization tools. However, if they have some duration, your violation, like I said, the duration period of violation is 12 months, 6 months, or 3 months. It depends on the violation that you got. And then after that, they will return back your tools if the duration period is already lifted. Okay, so that's the example guys, how to delete the old video, the violation that you have or flag content that you have before. So just follow that step guys. So as I said, as long as our tools is there, even though they have some policy issue in our profile, all the post spam message that we receive, that we remove your post, we remove your post by Facebook, there is no issue at all. As long as our tools is not suspended, our all tools is available, and still we are earning money on that, and there is no problem at all. Okay, but if our tools is suspended, it means our violation is serious and they have some duration period in order to lift our violation. Even though the video it's already removed, but we need to wait until the duration period will lift by Facebook, then that time our tools will return back. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.